back to another episode of Rebuilds. So we are done with the front frame handle and the motor is mounted and everything is done. Next is we are going to work on the power source. That is this right here. This one. The battery, the tank, it will have the controller, it will have the converter and everything fitted in this. Nothing should be visible outside. That's the goal. So let's plan it and let's do it. So the things that we need to place in the tank are the battery, obviously, this, and this. What is this? This is MCB. Fuse, if you want to say. Wow, it looks pretty though.
Es el sueño el motor, son las metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir.
And just like that, I'm ready with the plan. Here's the battery. I'll put two battery holders in here so that it doesn't move. And then this controller, I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so it doesn't fit, so I have to bend these or cut these. I prefer to bend it, so I'll just bend them. And just above that, we will place this output converter. Okay, so obviously to mount these with screws, I'll have to make two stands in here also.
Este lugar.
It bends quite easily. I thought it will be, but it is not. That's good for me.
Esta tierra tiene tanto que ofrecer.
And just like that, we got the facelift version of our controller, so it can be placed easily here. So it's gonna be here. This nut right here is a perfect fit, so I'm going to weld it here.
Es el sueño el motor, son las metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra.
And with that, we have a place to put our DC converter. There it goes like this, and
Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
ta-da! One
Tiene
down,
tanto
two
que
to go.
ofrecer.
This is pretty sturdy now, not going anywhere. Good. So next step is the controller. Ta-da! Where is it? It should go like this. So I'm going to use this metal piece on the left and right, so I'll be cutting it like this. Hold on, let me show you.
Esta tierra tiene tanto que ofrecer.
Okay, let's cut it like this. So this is one bracket here which will hold the controller, and the same same for this side as well. And I'll just weld them now.
Esta tierra tiene tanto que ofrecer.
this is the height of the battery, the upper one. So we'll go a little lower right there, and same for the right side. Let's cut it.
Esta tierra tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer. Es el sueño el motor, son las metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer.
Now I want to place this charging port right here on the tank, something like this. For that I will need two metal pieces. This will be the place for our charger, so we are going to place it something like this. Okay, and the holders, need to weld them right here. 1 and 2 should be in level, just like that. So let's do this. Now I'll fit this over here and it will hold the charging point like this. Here is the charging port. I'll just make another hole here to hold that, and like that. Cool. Next I need to install this lock so that nobody can steal my battery.
El motor son las metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
So I've installed this. Looks perfect. So now the lock can just go in like this. I'll keep it till here. So I'm going to fit it like this. Here is the lock. Let's show you from the outside how it looks. Check this out. Perfect. Cool.
Es el sueño el motor, son las metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
So I've put the bidding on. Earlier I was trying to put it on the lower part right there, but it worked out better on this one.
Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
This right here is the lock. Here we go, guys. The framework is all set. These are for the hinges, these three switches, and this one and this one. These are for the controller. One weld right here. This is for the DC converter. These two are to hold the batteries, just like that. Okay, and this is the lock, which was the trickiest thing to do, like that. So, and the same thing, this is for the charger, and this is again for the lock. So that's everything. Now let me assemble everything one by one, and I'll just keep updating you. So let's start with this DC converter. It goes like this, pretty easy.
Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
Next is the controller, which goes between these two, something like this. And then the two screws go in right there. Is the battery, the most important one. It goes in like that, nice and smooth. Not so smooth though, but yeah. I'll just put that in as oh crap, another problem now. And we got an extension for this now.
Esta tierra tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto.
The battery is in, and that's it. Oh yeah, only the charging port is left. Let's do that also. Here is the charging port. I can just place it.
Metas a alcanzar. Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer.
the charging port, but the wires I need to connect based on the polarities. Here, when I connect it like this one is positive and this is negative. So, yeah, goes like this. Positive, negative. I'll just mark them. And disconnect the wire. Charger wires are connected. Let's try connecting the charger now and see if it is charging. Right here. Oh, awesome. You see, you hear this buzzing sound? It says charging here. So the battery is charging. That's one good thing. Now we are left with the cover.
Siempre hay que descubrir la manera de vivir. Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
With that, the heart of the bike is ready, and here is the charging point. All the connections are inside. The motor can be connected directly in there. The bidding is perfect except at this place. There is a little bit of gap which I need to cover with something. Other than this, the other side is kind of perfect. There is no gap, nothing. And this looks pretty awesome. For now, the heart is ready, and let me show you. Put it in charge. Right now you see it shows full. When I connect the charger, ta-da, it shows charging. So this works. Tank is ready. Oh yeah, one more thing. Maybe I'll put it in I'll just do it in time lapse quickly. I need to put this battery meter over here, and that's it, nothing else. That will be complete.
Este lugar, esta tierra, tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer. Tiene tanto que ofrecer.
The battery is charging, and when we turn it on, it shows the voltage. So that's a wrap, guys. The heart is ready. Next, we are going to work on the chassis. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.